look at those items, guess what we want to do today? I believe those that have looked at our title already know what we want to do. Yes, you are right. It's nickel electro painting. But first of all, we need to make the solution out. So here is the item that you need in order for you to make the solution out. First of all is the container, and of course our main actor, nickel plate. And you need the copper wire in order for you to hang, and you need salt, yes, and this one white vinegar, and not to forget we also need our power supply. Okay, that's all for the item that we need. Let's start. So we have set our power supply to 12 volt, and it will take approximately about 1 hour to finish the whole process. After 1 hour, our nickel solution had finally ready, and now we are going to take this brass material to electrify it. Okay, so since we have 2 nickel plates, so in order to electrify it balancedly, so we have a loops wire connect these 2 points, and from your power supply, your positive point, you will connect to here, and the negative one you will connect it here. Let's go. Okay, you can try it with in between 3 to 5 volt, but for now we are using 3.7. After 5 minutes. Wow. So this is the final result. It will looks like that. The golden color will turn into very silverish and shining. Woo.